So we've discussed about authenticity and quality as well. So let's move on to the next part, which is future trends in global demand. So what do you see the future is going to be for this space, Jagaji?
Yeah, so Nikhil, before we move to that, I want to add something more on the authenticity and
Authenticity?
quality.
Sure, sure.
Right
Go ahead.
now, for example, as I said that uniformity of quality is an issue. So we should have some mechanism of inspection. So inspection, then testing, right, and use of authentic raw material, because to make a handicraft, you also need to touch on the emotion of the buyer of eco-friendliness. So authentic raw material, and of course the labeling, the story, right, handmade certification, fair trade practice. Most important element I will tell you on authenticity and quality is through the same QR code which I was talking about, we can actually have a customer feedback. We are not doing that. If I can put a QR code into the packaging, and if I tell the customers after they have made the purchase that they can give a feedback about the product, it will improve. If they feel the finishing is not good, then it will directly go to the artist, and artist will know that market is saying this. The moment market says, it makes a huge difference, right? And authenticity and quality, another aspect I'll give you. See, productivity is an element of pride. I recall a very interesting example. I was working in LP in Kerala under a World Bank funded project, where we were taking the coir cluster, which is from the coconut fiber to the next level of competitiveness, and a lot of doormats made out of coir fiber is exported to US. Now when we were talking to the workers who make it by hand, because they make the rope by hand, and then there is handloom where doormat is made, I did not see a sense of pride in them, because they were thinking, what is this hard work we are doing? We made a video, and we made a video in an animation form, and actually real shoots also, like you very rightly mentioned, the video and photography, and we showed the entire value chain. We showed how the coconut is plucked, how it is broken into four parts, how fiber is taken out, how rope is made by women, how it is then made into a doormat, and then how packaging is done, how it is shipped in a container, how it reaches New York, how it is going to the Walmart shop. And actually, we did a real shoot in Walmart shop, that a buyer is coming and looking at various doormats. How did they select a particular one? Then they take it to the cash counter, do the billing, take it to their car, put it in the dicky, go to their home, and put it outside their home. Beautiful bungalow, villa, home, they put it. And this video, when we showed to the workers, I mean to the artisans, they said, "Oh, we never knew. We knew it is being exported. We never knew in such a big house, like a palace, my doormat is there." Before entering, people are using my doormat. I mean, it's like salute before entering a house, right?
Right.
I mean, the sense of pride we could see in them. And actually, truly speaking, we measured a group of 10 women over next 6 months, and we saw 20% productivity going up without change in any other things. So that is something. Now this is connected to authenticity, and because you are actually seeing the marketplace, right, as an artist. And same thing we can do reverse also. We should, that is what I said, use technology through a QR code for the buyer to be able to see the reverse story.